Dear children, today we are going to do the planner of day 11. We will start with English, page number 14 and 15. Page number 14. D. Read aloud the sound. Read aloud the sound of D. D की आवाज आपने ऊंची आवाज में बोलना है. D. Da. What is it? D. ये किसकी शेप है? Which shape is this? D. D. Da. What is it? D. Da. D. Da. Now look at the picture of this duck. D. Da. Duck. What is it? D. Da. Duck. Children, read aloud with me. D. Da. Duck. What is it? D. Da. Duck. Read aloudly. D. Da. Duck. Now look at this picture. Drum. What is it? Drum. D. Da. Drum. Drum. D. Da. Drum. Say aloud with me. D. Da. Drum. What is it? D. Da. Drum. Children, read aloud with me. D. Da. Drum. Now look at this picture. Which picture is this? Dolphin. D. Da. Dolphin. What is it? D. Da. Dolphin. Children, read aloud with me. D. Da. Dolphin. What is it? D. Da. Dolphin. Now what is this? Doctor. Children, read aloud. D. Da. Doctor. What is it? D. Da. Doctor. बच्चों ऊंची आवाज में पढ़ें. D. Da. Doctor. D. Da. Doctor. Teacher's note. Teach it well today with phonics and listen to the children with phonics by tomorrow. Respected teachers, आज आप बच्चों को इन्हीं phonics के साथ पढ़ाएं और कल दोबारा से सुनें. General knowledge. Question number 1. How many colors are there in our national flag? हमारी नेशनल फ्लैग में कितने कलर है हमारे झंडे में? बच्चों जल्दी जल्दी से बताओ. Tell aloud. How many colors are there in our national flag? 2 colors. How many colors? 2 colors. Green and white. Children, read aloud with me. How many colors are there in our national flag? 2 colors. Green and white. How many colors are there in our national flag? 2 colors. Which one? Green and white. Conversation. What is your religion? Children, what is your religion? आपका मजहब क्या है? क्या है हमारा मजहब? इस्लाम. Read aloud with me. What is your religion? Islam. What is your religion? Islam. Children, read aloud with me. What is your religion? Islam. Who is your best friend? My best friend is Aisha. Name the best friend of yours. आपकी जो बेस्ट फ्रेंड है उसका नाम बताना है. कौन कौन से हैं आपके बेस्ट फ्रेंड? टेल मी द नेम ऑफ योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड्स. हु इज योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड? अली, आयशा, सना. यस. हु इज योर बेस्ट फ्रेंड? यू टेल मी. डिक्शनरी वर्ड्स. लेग. व्हाट इज इट? leg. Leg. Point on your leg. Keep your finger on your leg. Leg. Tongue. Leg क्या है? Tongue. Leg. Tongue. Leg. And what is it? Needle. Sui. Sui. Needle. You use your mother for stitching. अक्सर बच्चों आपने देखा होगा अपनी मम्मा को सीते हुए. So needle is used to stitch. What is it? Needle. ये क्या है? Needle. Read aloud with me. Needle. What is it? Needle. Needle is used to stitch. Teacher notes. Make sure that all the students have learned all the questions and the dictionary words today with loud reading and then listen tomorrow positively. टीचर्स ध्यान रखें कि बच्चों को तमाम क्वेश्चंस और डिक्टेशन वर्ड्स अच्छे से आज याद करवाएं ऊंची आवाज़ में और कल दोबारा बच्चों से सुने. Now we are going to start with written work. What we are going to learn today? Today we are going to learn D. What is it? D. D, we will start from the red line to the blue line. Same, we will draw a standing line. Start from the top to bottom. See how I am going to draw this line? Straight line. I am going to draw from here to there. Yes. We will draw a standing line. Start from the top to bottom. Straight line. I am going to draw from here to there. Yes. We will draw a standing line. Start from the top to bottom. Straight line. I am going to draw from here to there. Yes. Children, we will draw A, B, C, D. Write A to D over here. Do the practice of this A to D in your classwork and same thing you will do in the homework. Now match it. We will match A with A. What is it? A. A को A से मिलाएंगे. The B with B. And now we will match C with C and D with D. Now what is this? Write the first letter of the picture. इस पिक्चर का फर्स्ट लेटर हमने लिखना है. Which picture is this? Cap. बच्चों tell me, cap किससे बनती है? C से. किसकी साउंड आ रही है? C की. Which sound it produce? Cap. C. Cap. We will draw a C over here. What is it? Drum. Drum. It pronounces the sound of D. Drum. So we will write D over here. What is it? Ball? Ball starts with B. So we will write B over here. So children, make practice of this D in homework too. Circle the matching sounds. So A का matching sound क्या है? Children, look at there. This one A pronounce its sound B. A. So it match with A. We will circle this one and this one. B. This one is B and B. C. K. Where is C? Now you will search the C, the next C, and same thing do with D. Now check this one. What comes after? A. A के बाद क्या आएगा? We will read aloud A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So A के बाद क्या आएगा? B. What comes after C? D.